Good morning. How are you today? Our lesson today is what is inside our bones. If I cut a bone longitudinally, what can I see? At first, are the bones alive or dead? Who can answer? Bones are living, they are alive, and they can grow as we grow. What is the outside? From outside, the bones look like? From outside, it is hard. It is hard. What is in the middle of the bones? What is in the middle of the bones? In the middle of the bones is the bone marrow. Say bone marrow. Bone marrow. Bone marrow is in the middle of the bones. What is the function of the bones? To make red and white blood cells. The bones make red and white blood cells. What is the function of the red and what is the function of the white blood cells? The red blood cells, this is abbreviation of blood cells. The red blood cells carry oxygen around the body. The red blood cells carry oxygen around the body. The white blood cells help to fight illness or to fight diseases. This is a picture of a bone. If I cut a bone longitudinally, what can I see? From outside here, from outside, this one, it is a hard bone. This is a hard bone from outside. Here, this is the spongy bone. It is like the sponge. Look at it. Spongy bone. The function of a spongy bone is where the bone grows. Is when the bone grows. Here in the middle is the bone, this yellow is the bone marrow. The bone marrow is in the middle of the bone. It makes the red and white blood cells. It makes red and white blood cells. You can enjoy this nice video.
Hello, I'm your skeleton. As you can plainly see, here's some of the 206 bones in the human body. Now as a baby, you start out with about 300 different bones. That's a lot considering many fuse when you are grown. 206 bones is what you have as an adult. Due to all the fusion your bones do, this is the result. Ligaments hold the ends of your bones together. This is true, and muscles attach to bone with tendons, connective tissue. Tendons and ligaments connect to bones on either side of a joint, holding bones together tightly, that is the point. Bone marrow is a soft and spongy tissue found inside some bones. Bone marrow stroma stem cells are called mesenchymal. Mesenchymal stem cells are two colors, yellow and red. The yellow color produces fat bone in your cartilage. The red color produces white and red blood cells. It also makes the platelets that cause clotting to stop bleeding well. Hello, I'm your skeleton. As you can plainly see, here's some of the 206 bones in the human body. Let's focus on some of the major bones in the human body. We'll start at the top of the cranium, which is called your skull, you see. Then we'll move down to the mandible. It helps you chew your food. Onto the clavicle, also called the collarbone on you. Here we have the sternum, which connects all your ribs. Here's the pelvis, it's your midsection, which gives you your hips. Connected to your pelvis is the biggest bone in the body. It's called the femur, and it is also the strongest bone you'll see. Right below it are the tibia and fibula on you. They work together to hold your feet on your body. This is true. Let's not forget the humerus bone on the upper arm. It's attached to the radius and ulna that form your forearm. Your hand is made up of about 27 bones. We'll focus on those in another one of my songs, Catchy Tones. Hello, I'm your skeleton. As you can plainly see, here's some of the 206 bones in the human body. Let's move to the posterior or the backside of you. First thing you'll notice is the spinal column. I'll break that down too. The cervical vertebrae, also known as your neck, is made up of 7 bones to help keep your head in check. Then the thoracic vertebrae is made up of 12 bones. It's the longest stretch of your spinal column that is shown. Then there's the lumbar vertebrae on your lower back. It's an arch and a very important bony stack. Onto your sacrum, it's attached to your pelvis. Then the spine ends with the fusion of bones called the coccyx. Please take care of your bones and keep them healthy and strong. They give you structure in your life to help you live really long. Hello, I'm your skeleton. As you can plainly see, here's some of the 206 bones in the human body.
Thanks for watching Kids Learning Tube. Please subscribe below and join us next week to learn more about everything.